Phillip with Bobcat of Myrtle Beach, and I am the service and rental manager down here. Today we're going to be talking about rentals. Today we're looking at the E35. The good thing about an E35 is it is what they call a zero tail swing machine, and what that allows you to do is get really close to walls, confined spaces, confined little areas. Make that job site a little bit easier. We get a lot of folks that rent them out for short-term, long-term construction companies, pool companies, landscaping companies. It's just that right fit. It's an easy tow. It's a great machine.